Question answering in natural language processing. AI intermediate level. Introduction. One of the most powerful capabilities of artificial intelligence is the ability to answer questions in natural language. Instead of just searching for documents, modern AI systems can understand a question, find relevant information, generate a precise answer. This task is known as question answering. QA. Question answering systems are used in search engines, chatbots, virtual assistants, customer support systems, educational tools. QA systems combine natural language processing, NLP, machine learning, and deep learning to provide accurate answers. What is question answering? Question answering, QA, is a task in NLP where a system automatically answers questions posed by users in natural language. In simple terms, question answering equals asking a question means AI gives a correct answer. Example concept. Question means AI model means answer. Example. Question. What is the capital of France? Quote. Answer. Paris. Why question answering is important. QA systems are important because they provide direct answers instead of long documents, improve user experience in search systems, automate information retrieval, support learning and education, enable conversational AI. Example concept. User question means precise answer means better experience. Types of question answering systems. QA systems can be categorized based on how they work. 1. Extractive question answering. Extracts answers directly from a given text. Example concept. Context plus question means extract answer span. Example. Context. Paris is the capital of France. Question. What is the capital of France? Quote. Answer. Paris. 2. Abstractive question answering. Generates answers in its own words. Example concept. Question means AI means generated answer. Example. Question. Why is exercise important? Quote. Answer. Exercise helps maintain physical and mental health. 3. Open domain question answering. Answers questions using large knowledge sources. Example concept. Question means search plus I means answer. Examples. Google search answers. ChatGPT. 4. Closed domain question answering. Focused on a specific domain. Example concept. Domain-specific data means QA system means answer. Examples. Medical QA systems. Legal assistants. Company knowledge bots. How question answering works. The general workflow of a QA system is user question, down pointing arrow, text pre-processing, down pointing arrow, question understanding, NLP, down pointing arrow, information retrieval, down pointing arrow, answer extraction or generation, down pointing arrow, final response. Key components of QA systems. 1. Question processing. Understanding the user's intent. Example concept. Question means intent plus keywords. 2. Information retrieval. Finding relevant documents or data. Example concept. Query means search means relevant text. 3. Answer processing. Extracting or generating the final answer. Example concept. Relevant text means answer. NLP techniques in QA. QA systems rely heavily on NLP. Key techniques include tokenization, named entity recognition, NER, part-of-speech tagging, dependency parsing, semantic understanding. Example concept. Text means structured meaning means answer. Deep learning in QA. Modern QA systems use deep learning models. Models include RNN, LSTM, attention models, transformers, BERT, GPT. Example concept. Question plus context means deep model means answer. Transformer-based QA. Transformers are the most powerful models for QA. Example concept. Input. Question plus context. Means transformer means answer. Models like BERT can understand context, locate answer spans, generate accurate responses. Example Python code. Using Hugging Face transformers. From transformers import pipeline. Ca equals pipeline. Question answering. Context equals Paris is the capital of France. Result equals Ca. Question equals what is the capital of France? Quote. Context equals context. Print. Result. Answer. Real-world applications of QA systems. QA systems are widely used in many areas. Search engines. Providing direct answers to queries. Chatbots. Answering user questions interactively. Virtual assistants. Examples. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. Education. Helping students with questions and explanations. Customer support. Automating FAQ responses. Healthcare. Answering medical-related questions. Advantages of question answering systems. Advantages include quick and accurate answers, improved user experience, automation of information retrieval, scalable across large datasets, supports conversational AI. Example concept. AI QA means instant knowledge access. Challenges of question answering. QA systems face several challenges. 1. Ambiguity. Questions may be unclear. 2. Context understanding. Requires deep language understanding. 3. Multi-hop reasoning. Some answers require combining multiple pieces of information. 4. Data limitations. Limited or outdated data affects accuracy. 5. Bias and errors. AI may produce incorrect or biased answers. Question answering versus search engines. Traditional search. Returns documents or links. QA systems. Return direct answers. Example. Search means list of websites. QA means direct answer. Future of question answering. Future trends include more conversational AI systems, better reasoning capabilities, multimodal QA, text plus image plus audio, real-time knowledge updates, personalized answers. Example concept. Advanced AI means smarter answers. Concepts learned from question answering. Understanding QA helps learners understand. Checkmark how AI understands and answers questions. Checkmark how NLP processes queries. Checkmark how retrieval and generation work together. Checkmark how transformers improve language understanding. Checkmark how AI is used in real-world knowledge systems. Simple definition. Question answering. An AI task where systems automatically answer questions posed in natural language. Final summary. Question answering is a key application of natural language processing that enables AI systems to understand questions and provide accurate answers. It includes extractive, abstractive, open domain, and closed domain approaches. Modern QA systems use deep learning and transformer models to deliver highly accurate and context-aware answers. QA systems are widely used in search engines, chatbots, education, and customer support. Understanding QA is essential for building intelligent systems that interact with users and provide knowledge efficiently.